Hello everyone, I'm going to mod some movie, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to play Heavy Mod Manager mods as like separate ISOs, as the current version of Heavy Mod Manager simply does not let you make ISOs. So how do we make ISOs if the program itself doesn't? Well, that's what we're going to do. So for this example, I'm going to use the ultimate level pack that I created as suggested by Koopa Eliminator. So this tutorial assumes that you already have Heavy Mod Manager set up and Dolphin Emulator set up, the latest version. So anyway, be sure to launch the game once in order to ensure that, well, the game boots for one thing, but also to make sure that the file system is set up properly. Alright, awesome. It worked, great. Now that you've done that, you're going to want to go into the location of Heavy Mod Manager. Okay, but the easiest way to do this is to just click on one of the mods and then back out to Heavy Mod Manager. From here you go to Games, GameCube, and then you pick the game that you're playing the mod in. So in this case it's Movie, and there will be a folder called Game. This is the way Dolphin is able to load the mod up. It basically starts up main.dol from this folder specifically, and as you can see, it'll boot up. I do have it sped up though for the funny, but we're not going to talk about that. Anyway, you're going to want to add this path to your Dolphin. So I'm going to do that. Copy it and then go to Dolphin, and then you're going to go up to Config, and then you go down to Paths. From here you're just going to have to click Add, and then here you can just paste the path and select it, and bada bing, close, and then refresh. And that didn't work. What did I do? I must have done it improperly. Let's copy it in the folder here. Boom. Alright, that's where you're supposed to do it. Okay. Then you just close, and you'll notice that it has 0 bytes. That's good. That means it's reading it from the file system tree. So we can right click this, and you can open the containing folder, and we can confirm that yes, it's from the game folder from Heavy Mod Manager, so that's good. From here you can just right click the game, and then you just go to Convert File, and you don't have to change anything here. You can just click on Convert, and then you can just put it wherever. I'm going to put it in here, and in case you plan on playing this on Nintendo, what you'll need to do is create a folder, name it anything, and then put the ISO inside and rename it to Game. And then bada bing, you're done. Then you can pretty much play the game independently. See, now it has a file size here, and if you open this, it'll boot up the mod along with your save files, but now you don't have to worry about it disappearing or changing. So you can use Heavy Mod Manager for something else if you want, and you can freely play the mod as is. Look at that. Look at this. And it's still sped up, but we don't talk about that. So yeah, you're welcome, guys, and have fun with modding and stuff. Toodles. Hasta la vista. Goodbye.